In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of Jabuticaba tea for your health and how to make this tea at home. Jabuticaba berries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that fight excess free radicals, avoid wrinkles and sagging, and prevent diseases like cancer, heart attack, and atherosclerosis. Since Jabuticaba is rich in fiber that increase satiety, it's an interesting option for those trying to lose weight. In addition to eating the fruit itself, did you know you can get some incredible health benefits by drinking Jabuticaba tea? A study from the Universidade Federal de Juiz de Fora, Brazil, says that even the leaves of a Jabuticaba tree have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So drinking Jabuticaba tea helps reduce body inflammation, strengthens the immune system, and improves cardiovascular health, preventing problems that harm the heart. And since it is diuretic, the tea favors body detox, eliminating toxins through urine and preventing water retention and bloating. Due to its antioxidants, iron, and calcium, Jabuticaba also prevents anemia. Isn't that incredible? Write down the ingredients. 15 Jabuticaba leaves, 15 Jabuticaba peels, 20 ounces water. Put the water and Jabuticaba skins in a pot and boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the leaves, and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Drink twice a day, before lunch and dinner. Now that you know the benefits of Jabuticaba tea, drink it to improve your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.